Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun drugstore foundation review for you guys. I'm gonna start doing some more drugstore reviews and testing out some products. Usually January is a huge month at the drugstore. They always have tons of new releases for the new year, so I want to stay on top of all the new things. I'll be doing a testing drugstore makeup a couple weeks down the road, and then I will be filming a haul as well. I don't know when that will be up. Which will be up first, I don't know, but I got a lot of things recently, and this new foundation is one of them. It should be available at most retailers now. I know Ulta has it. I got mine at Walgreens stores. I've seen it at most of the stores, but this is the new Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation. I'm so excited to try it. It looks really nice, and usually Maybelline does a really good job with their foundation, so we are going to be testing this out today. I kind of did a little bit of a description in my try-on portion, so I won't hold you up too much. Let's go ahead and try this foundation on. Alright guys, so I do have a little bit of makeup on, but I just did my eyes and now we're going to do foundation. So just a little bit about this foundation I wanted to read to you real quick. It says it doesn't clog pores, it's a lightweight hydrating foundation your skin won't want to take off, it hydrates skin, it's formulated with hyaluronic acid and collagen, it has a medium coverage for normal to dry skin. I do have oily skin, so we'll see. And then it delivers instant radiance that glows, and there is 20 different shades. You can get this right now on Ulta for $12.99. I chose the shade 20 Classic Ivory. So it does have a little pump bottle here. Alright, so I don't know what happened, if it filmed that or not, but I did about 1.5 pumps on my Sigma F80 brush, and I did start applying. I'm just kind of blending right now. I feel like my camera shut off, but it really feels kind of almost mousse-like on the skin, which I wasn't expecting, but I do kind of like the finish. It's not too dewy at first, so this is about 1.5 pumps. I'm really trying to get this all blended in so you guys can see the coverage. I usually do. I usually wear a little bit more foundation than I feel like most people. I like full coverage since I do get like acne spots and stuff like that. Sorry, my lighting is going crazy. The sun keeps like getting brighter and then dimming. Anyways, this is looking decent. I would say it does look pretty nice. Here's how we are looking with 1.5 pumps. Definitely, I would say this would be for me light to medium coverage, so I am going to add a little bit more here. And then we'll try to get some extra coverage on my cheeks, especially. Is where I have some acne spots. But I feel like this color is perfect for my self-tan. So if you guys are maybe a little bit darker, this would work. Or if you're a little bit lighter, I would go a shade down. Alright, so I'd say it is a true medium coverage because it's not going to quite cover up those acne spots. But building it up, it seems to be doing a decent job. Like, it's not bad. Okay, so here's the finished with all the coverage. I feel like it looks really nice right now. We'll just need to cover up a little bit more here with some concealer, but so far that's how it is looking. Alright guys, I wanted to jump back on here now that I have my full face of makeup on. So far the foundation is looking really well with everything. I'm pretty impressed. I did put a little bit of setting powder over it. Nothing like mattifying, but just a normal setting powder. So I'm curious to see how this will wear throughout the day. But so far it looks really nice. It's not settling into anything. I will give you guys some updates throughout the day, and then I'll finish off with my final thoughts. Hey guys, I wanted to give you an update on the foundation and kind of end the video. I'm doing it on my vlog camera because I feel like sometimes my normal camera washes things out, and then you can kind of see what it really looks like on the vlog camera. It's more true. And I was going to do an update, but I never ended up doing that. So we're just going to end the video here. It is 8 o'clock, and I'm going to take my makeup off for the day. I will say, it wasn't so oily earlier. I can notice now that it's pretty shiny, but it did take a little bit before it started being shiny. I haven't touched up with powder at all today, but like 2 hours ago I checked my makeup and it wasn't really shiny at all. So I don't know, just checking now, I was like, oh dang, it is getting a little bit greasy there, but it's not bad. It actually held up pretty well, I'd say, throughout the day. So far I'm liking it. This is how it looks after 8 hours, which is pretty good. I put it on at noon, and it really didn't wear off anywhere. You guys know I did do a darker color and it looks pretty even throughout my face. I'm really surprised it didn't wear off too much on my cheeks. And then on my blemishes, they're still pretty covered. I didn't end up going with any concealer, I just did the foundation. And yeah, it actually looks really good. My blush, bronzer, highlight is still on. It doesn't seem like it settled into any fine lines, and it does seem like it's not too heavy on the skin. I can feel it a little bit, and it does feel a little bit greasy as I'm touching it, but it's an easy fix if I just touch up with some powder, which I will do now to show you guys. Alright, so once I got rid of that oiliness, it's looking pretty good. I would still go out like this. I would say the only thing, it looks really good. The only thing I don't like is my under eyes, which is my concealer, so that has nothing to do with it. So I would say this foundation is a win for me. I really like it. I think if you guys have normal to oily skin, you might want to try it out, because I didn't think it was too bad, especially for the winter months. I think that it could be good. I didn't think it was super radiant at all, so I don't know about you guys with dry skin, how it would work for you, but I actually really like it. That is it for my foundation review today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was helpful. Let me know if you guys will be picking this one up, but I'm pretty impressed. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.